Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. So today we're going to look at how do you get started on sports trading. And today we have already funded our account. So if you're new here and you do not know how to fund your account, just go to the link that is linked in the description box about how do you fund your Binance account through M-PESA. And this is the video that you're going to find there. So make sure you watch, learn how to fund your account, then proceed to sports trading, which is today's video. So let's get into it. Now our account is funded here. And once you've done your funding, you'll realize that your money will be in your funding wallet. And as per the video today, we are supposed to do spot trading. So that means those are two different wallets. You have the spot wallet and the funding wallet. Once you've deposited money in your account through M-PESA, your money will come to the funding wallet. So the first thing you need to do is when your money is in the funding wallet, you first have to transfer to the spot wallet for you to start trading. So let us transfer our money from the funding wallet to the spot wallet. So from funding to spot, then click USDT because that is what we have. And we can do 40 or let's say 30 USDT. You don't have to transfer the full amount, but if you want to transfer the full amount, just click maximum here. But for my case, I just want to pick a bit of what I have, so confirm transfer. And for today's case, we're going to look at two main orders. That is the market order and the limit order, all right? So as you can see, I had 102, now I have 72. So my 30 has been transferred to my spot wallets. And as you can see, we have 30 USDT there. So for today, we're going to go to markets. And our coin of choice today is Litecoin. And this is not financial advice to buy Litecoin. This is just for purposes of this tutorial. Then we're going to click on buy. Now, as I've said, we're going to look at two main orders. As you can see here, there's market. When you click on that, you can see limit order, market order, stop limit, trailing stop, and OCO. Today, we're just going to focus on the top two. That is limit order and the market order. So let us see how both are done. So when you start with the market order, a market order means you are buying that particular coin at the current price of the market. So for example, this means that if we're going to execute a market order at the moment, we're going to be buying LTC at the price of 81.14 US dollars per LTC. Okay. So I want to use 50% of the USDT I have, but this number here is adjustable. The list is 10 USDT. So I can say I want to use 12 or 13 or whichever amount. But if I want to use half of what I have, I can just click 50% of that. And once I'm done and I have confirmed that that is what I want to buy, I want to buy LTC with 15 USDT, I will click buy LTC. And as you can see, my order will be executed immediately. So when you go to your wallets, you'll realize that now I have LTC worth 15 USDT that I had. Okay, so that is a market order. A market order is executed immediately. Right, now let us click on the markets again, LTC, and click buy. Now we're going to use the limit order. Now a limit order means you can set a future price of which you want your LTC to be purchased at. All right, so let's say I want to buy LTC, but I want to buy LTC when the price goes lower than 81. So if I look at the graph here, maybe through my analysis, I've realized LTC has the potential of coming back down. So I want to purchase LTC maybe at 76. So what I'm going to do is click on buy, set this as limit, and then I'm going to click on the price here and adjust it to 76. All right, so this means that my order will be pending until the price of 76 is reached. That is when my order will be picked. Then I'm going to click 100% because I want to use the remaining USDT in my wallet. And once I'm done, once I've confirmed everything is okay, I will buy LTC. Now, as you can see, the difference here is when I set the market order, we did not see LTC in the open orders here. LTC is open here because this is a pending order. Your order has not yet been picked because when you go to your wallets, you can see the LTC we have is still the 15 that we bought at the market price. Okay, so when you go back to your market, and you click on that, you will see that this order will be an open order until your price is reached. But if at any point you realize that, okay, maybe my price might not get to 76, I want to cancel that order and maybe buy something else, what you need to do is come here where you see cancel and click on cancel, and that order will be cancelled and you'll have your USDT back. But for this case, what it means is that if you have used 15 USDT to set a pending order, the 15 USDT will remain locked. So you will not be able to use the 15 USDT to on another order unless you cancel the pending order, so that you'll be able to have your USDT released for another order. So for example here, as you can see, I can't buy something else. For example, let's say we want to buy chess and we click on buy. I do not have the available balance is 0.0156 USDT, 856 USDT, right? But if I cancel the LTC order here, cancel, my USDT is back. Okay, so you're able to now purchase another coin. So if at any point you set a pending order, that is a limit order, and your order has not yet been picked, you are able to cancel it at any moment. And if you don't cancel your pending order, that means your order will remain open for hours, days, weeks, up until your price is reached. Okay, so that is how to get started on your spot trading. So as you can see, spot trading is very easy and very straightforward, and this is the same process you use on any coin that you decide to purchase. Okay, so that's it for today. In case you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the description, in the comment section below. Leave a like, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.